Ever feel stuck in a routine? Days blur together, dreams seem out of reach. You grind away, but progress feels non-existent. Frustrating, right? What if the key to unlocking those dreams isn't relentless hustle, but the power of your mind? Think of visualization as a hidden path through a dense forest. You, the architect, hold the blueprint to your dream life. Visualization empowers you to build it. Imagine visualization as a forgotten superpower. Daydreaming about a beach vacation? That's visualization, but it's more. It's crafting a vivid mental movie where you're the director, star, and writer. Picture yourself holding that diploma, the joy, the family pride. Or visualize crossing a marathon finish line, the rush of accomplishment. It's about feeling the sand between your toes, the cheers of the crowd, the fresh paint in your new home. Your brain starts to believe, hey, this feels real. That's where the magic begins. So, my fellow dreamers, join us as we delve into the heart of visualization and discover the power within. But heed my words, for the journey ahead is not for the faint of heart. Welcome to Uplift Saga, where dreams take flight and destinies are forged. Don't miss a moment of this epic saga. Subscribe now and embark on this extraordinary adventure with us. Before we talk about the transformative power of visualization, let's first understand what it truly means. Visualization is more than just a fleeting daydream or a passing thought. It is the deliberate act of creating mental images or scenarios in the mind's eye, vivid and detailed, as if they were real. By engaging in visualization, we tap into the immense potential of our subconscious mind. We plant the seeds of our desires, nurturing them with every vivid image we conjure. Whether it's picturing ourselves acing a job interview, scoring the winning goal, or delivering a flawless presentation, visualization allows us to rehearse success in the theater of our minds. But how does this mental rehearsal translate into real-world results? The answer lies in the intricate connection between our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we visualize ourselves achieving our goals, we not only stimulate the same neural pathways as if we were actually performing the task, but we also evoke the accompanying emotions, confidence, determination, and joy. These positive emotions act as powerful magnets, drawing us closer to our desired outcomes. They fuel our motivation, sharpen our focus, and instill within us an unwavering belief in our ability to succeed. As we continue to visualize with clarity and conviction, we align our thoughts and actions with our aspirations, paving the way for their manifestation in the physical realm. In essence, visualization is the bridge that spans the gap between imagination and reality. It empowers us to sculpt our destinies with intention and purpose, transforming mere dreams into tangible achievements. So, dare to dream boldly, visualize relentlessly, and watch as your deepest desires unfold before your very eyes. Before we talk about the profound impact of visualization on our lives, let's delve into the remarkable ways it enhances our well-being and propels us towards success. Visualization serves as a beacon of motivation, illuminating our path with clarity and purpose. By vividly picturing our goals and aspirations, we ignite a fire within ourselves, fueling our drive to take action and pursue our dreams with unwavering determination. Moreover, visualization acts as a potent antidote to the relentless pressures of modern life. In a world filled with stress and anxiety, the act of visualizing offers a sanctuary of calm and tranquility. As we immerse ourselves in the serene landscapes of our imagination, we find solace amidst the chaos, soothing our frayed nerves and restoring balance to our minds. But perhaps most importantly, visualization serves as a catalyst for building unshakable self-confidence and belief in oneself. As we repeatedly envision ourselves overcoming obstacles and achieving success, we internalize the belief that anything is possible. With each visualization session, we reinforce the notion that we are capable, worthy, and deserving of the success we seek. And as our self-confidence blossoms, so too does our performance and ability to achieve our goals. By visualizing ourselves executing tasks with precision, confidence, and finesse, we prime our minds and bodies for peak performance. We cultivate the mental fortitude and resilience needed to persevere in the face of adversity, propelling us ever closer to the realization of our deepest desires. In essence, Visualization is not merely a tool for wishful thinking. It is a transformative practice that empowers us to unlock our full potential, conquer our fears, and seize the reins of our destiny. So, dare to dream boldly, visualize relentlessly, and watch as the world bends to your will. Before we talk about the art of visualization, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation by setting clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve provides direction and purpose to your visualizations, guiding your mind towards specific outcomes and objectives. Creating a quiet space is essential for the practice of visualization. In the midst of our bustling lives, finding moments of tranquility can be challenging. However, carving out a dedicated space free from distractions allows us to immerse ourselves fully in the visualization process, fostering deep concentration and focus. Engaging all our senses is the key to unlocking the full potential of visualization. While it's easy to rely solely on our visual imagination, incorporating auditory, tactile, olfactory, and gustatory sensations adds depth and richness to our mental images, making them more vivid and lifelike. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of mastering the art of visualization. Just like any skill, visualization requires repetition and dedication to refine and strengthen. By incorporating visualization into our daily routine, we cultivate a habit of mental rehearsal that gradually becomes second nature, empowering us to manifest our dreams with greater clarity and precision. Close your eyes and take a moment to center yourself, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly to quiet the chatter of the mind. Now, visualize your goal as if it has already been achieved. Picture yourself standing at the pinnacle of success, basking in the glory of your accomplishments. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds of celebration, and feel the warmth of achievement radiating through your being. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, allow your senses to come alive. Visualize the details, the sights, sounds, and sensations that accompany your success. Feel the rush of adrenaline, hear the applause of adoring fans, and see the smiles of satisfaction on the faces of your loved ones. Stay in this moment for a few minutes, savoring the emotions and sensations that arise. Let yourself be fully present in the reality you have created, soaking in the joy, fulfillment, and abundance that await you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the energy and inspiration of your visualization. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Simply close your eyes, visualize, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your desires to fruition. One powerful technique is to use affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce your visualizations. By affirming your beliefs and reinforcing your goals with positive language, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with your desired outcomes, making them more likely to manifest in reality. Additionally, it's important to visualize both the process and the outcome. While it's tempting to focus solely on the end result, visualizing the steps required to achieve your goals is equally crucial. By picturing yourself navigating challenges, overcoming obstacles, and taking decisive actions, you align your subconscious mind with the journey towards success. Furthermore, staying flexible and open to unexpected opportunities is key to harnessing the full potential of visualization. While visualizing a specific outcome is important, rigid attachment to a single path can limit your ability to adapt to changing circumstances. By remaining open-minded and receptive to new possibilities, you invite serendipity and synchronicity into your life, opening doors you never knew existed. Lastly, remember to review and adjust your visualizations as needed. Just as a sculptor refines their masterpiece with each stroke of the chisel, so too must you refine your mental images with each iteration. Take time to reflect on your progress, celebrate your successes, and make any necessary tweaks to your visualizations to ensure they continue to align with your evolving goals and aspirations. As we draw near the end of our journey into the world of visualization, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've explored together. We've learned that visualization is not just a passive daydreaming activity, but a powerful tool for shaping our reality. By setting clear goals, creating a quiet space, engaging all our senses, and practicing regularly, we can harness the transformative power of visualization to manifest our deepest desires. I encourage you, dear viewers, to start incorporating visualization into your daily routine. Whether it's visualizing your dream job, envisioning a loving relationship, or picturing yourself achieving your fitness goals. Take the time to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of your imagination. Remember, visualization is more than just wishful thinking. It's a dynamic process that activates the creative forces within you, propelling you towards your aspirations with unwavering determination and clarity. So, as we bid farewell to this enlightening journey, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on personal growth and self-discovery. Together, let's embark on a transformative adventure and unlock the boundless potential that lies within each of us.